Right friends, welcome back to second module of this abbreviation. So, this is the CD ratio. CD ratio is credit deposit ratio. That means if people deposit 100 crores of rupees, banks cannot lend total money. They have to keep certain money aside for cash reserve ratio and statutory liquidity ratio, and they have to keep this aside, and the balance money they can give as credit. So, the ratio is credit deposit ratio or CD ratio. OPEC, Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries. OPEC is Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries. I would like to tell you few points. One is it is headquartered in Vienna, Austria, and 12 countries are there in OPEC. And second thing is it was started functioning from 1961. CGTMSE, Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises. When you are going to the bank, they will ask for collateral security. Small businesses and micro enterprises may not be able to give collateral security when they are going to the bank for taking loan, and this CGTMSE maintained by SIDB will give collateral guarantee. CGTMSE maintained by SIDB will give collateral guarantee, and please don't forget CGTMSE is Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises. Look into the next word, that is CIBIL. CIBIL is Credit Information Bureau India Limited. It gives past credit history. Credit history is different from credit rating. Fitch Ratings, CRISIL, these are examples for credit rating agencies, but CIBIL gives credit history. Please don't forget. Look into the next CIC. CIC is Central Information Commission, subsequent to the RTI Act, Right to Information Act. This Central Information Commission was started. It is established at national level as well as at the state level also, and if you look at the national level, it will have one Chief Information Commissioner as well as not more than 10 Information Commissioners. Right, CII, Confederation of Indian Industry. This is not for profit, non-governmental trade body, and it was established in the late 1890s. To be specific, in the year 1895, it is industry led and industry managed, established in the year 1895, not for profit organization and non-government organization, basically representing industry bodies, established in the year 1895, headquarters New Delhi, please don't forget. Next one is CMB. CMB is Cash Management Bills. All of you are well aware about treasury bills, government securities. Cash management bills are for shorter duration. The maximum duration should be less than 91 days for cash management bills. If government wants some money from the market for their short term liquidity problems, you can say up to 3 months, they can issue cash management bills and borrow money from the market, and this is the instrument established in the year 2009, please don't forget. CMBS, Commercial Mortgage Backed Securities. Commercial mortgage. Mortgage means when land or fixed assets are given as a collateral, then you are taking loan, that is mortgage. Here commercial assets are given as mortgage, not residential assets. Commercial assets will be given for mortgage. So, CMBS is Commercial Mortgage Backed Securities, please don't forget. COPRA. COPRA is Consumer Protection Act, which was started in the year 1986. As a consumer, you have several rights, please don't forget. CORE, CORE is a centralized online real-time exchange. Information is exchanged real time. Everything is connected online through a centralized network. Your core banking of interconnecting the bank accounts and interconnecting the branches is nothing but centralized online real-time exchange. Please don't forget. CPI IW, CPI is Consumer Price Index. All of you are well aware, this IW is industrial workers. government employees salaries are you can say DA is revised once in 6 months. Government announces increase in dearness allowance or dearness relief once in 6 months, and this is based on consumer price index for industrial workers, and this is released by Labour Bureau, Government of India. Please don't forget, this is released by Labour Bureau. CRAR, capital to risk weighted assets ratio, that is how much capital is available and how many loans are there. Assets means loans. How many risk weighted loans are there, that is in the denominator, and in the numerator it is capital. So CRAR is capital to risk weighted assets ratio. CRARH, this is the term associated with commercial real estate residential housing. This is the category. While calculating the risk weights in the banking system, certain categories will be there. This is one type of category. OTC is over the counter. Over the counter means when you are purchasing a share, or you can say when you are purchasing a stock through the dealer, not through centralized exchange, that is the over the counter. When you are purchasing a share through a dealer, not through centralized exchange, that is over the counter. CSIR, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. CSIR is Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. This was established in the year 1942. It is autonomous body, but most of the funding is by the Ministry of Science and Technology. And please don't forget, it is registered under Societies Act. It is autonomous body, please don't forget. AIIA, All India Institute of Ayurveda, this is proposed to start functioning from the year 2016 on the lines of aims, or you can say on the lines of the prestigious institutions. This All India Institute of Ayurveda will start functioning from 2016. Corporate social responsibility, the companies have to spend some money subject to the regulations, that is corporate social responsibility, that is building schools, giving water supply, like social concern initiative are to be undertaken by the companies subject to some regulations, and this is corporate social responsibility. CVC, Central Vigilance Commission, established in the year 1964 subsequent to Santanam Committee recommendations, please don't forget. Countervailing duty, CD, or you can say sometimes called CVD, is countervailing duty. Countervailing duty is the duty imposed on the imports when that particular import enjoys so many subsidies in the country of manufacture, right? DBOD RBI, this is Department of Banking Operations and Development. This is the department under Reserve Bank of India. DCCB, all of you are well aware, District Central Cooperative Bank, state level State Cooperative Bank, District Central Cooperative Bank, and PSCS will be there at the village level. DCM, Department of Currency Management, this is one department of Reserve Bank of India. DEF, Depositor Education and Awareness Fund, to be maintained by, is being maintained by Reserve Bank of India. The unclaimed deposits and inoperative deposits of more than 10 years duration will be transferred to DEF. DFC, Dedicated Freight Corridor, Western Corridor, Eastern Corridor, 2 corridors are coming up. These are exclusive freight corridors. These are from Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust in Mumbai to Dadri, and at the same time the Eastern Corridor starts from Ludhiana to Dankuni in West Bengal. Please don't forget, these are the railway corridors. With this, let us conclude the second module. Please do join for third module. Have a nice day. Thank you.